Guys, on this video we got our 26 Honda HR-V and we're going to be installing some new floor mats from Michelin. Michelin makes amazing products as far as tires is concerned. I love their products. Their rubber compounds are always great, and now they started making floor mats. So I'm really excited to try these out, unbox them. As you guys know, we ran a bunch of different floor mats in the vehicles already, from WeatherTech, from Lasfit, from Amazon floor mats, Odro floor mats, and now we're going to be testing out Michelin floor mats, and we'll be able to kind of give you my personal experience between the floor mats. So let's go ahead and take this out, unbox it. This is the full set, front, rear, and the back right now. We're currently running, believe it or not, the Amazon floor mats, and we'll see if these will be able to beat the Amazon floor mats.